they would be able to click and drag the correct color. So when I share it in Google Classroom, I would do make a copy for each student. So now let's add the interactive elements. I love to use the bears that if the students were in the regular classroom, this would be the counting bears that they would be using. So to insert an image, I'm going to go up to Insert, select Image. This time I'm going to go from my drive. I'm going to select Drive. And I'm going to click Search. And I'm going to do Bear. And I'm going to drag these over. So I need green, blue, and red. Right, then I'm going to move that away, close this out. And then I'm going to drag them to the gray space. Ashley and I, we really like to use the gray area when we're designing. So I'm going to drag them over, and let's put this one to this side. All right, so now that I have my bears, notice if I need to have multiple yellow bears, if you were using this for the kids, another way, if you were using these bears to have the students do sequence of events, or if it were coins and you were having the students count coins, I'm going to duplicate these by using the Control-D shortcut to duplicate. And then I'm going to show you how you can stack them. So I'm going to do Control-D. So I'm going to select the bear and do Control-D. And if I want to stack them so it doesn't seem as if they're all over the page and taking up my entire gray space, I'm going to highlight the bears. And now that I've grouped them, I can move them around my screen. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to my toolbar, select Arrange. And I'm going to select Align. First, I'm going to center them. Again, I'm going to go up to Arrange, select Align. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to align them to the middle. Now they're stacked together. So if I wanted a yellow bear, I could drag one, and I could drag another one. So I'll have multiple bears that I could drag to the yellow area. Right, so another cool thing that I'm going to show you that you can do in Google Slides, notice I have this yellow bear, and I wanted to change this yellow bear to maybe make it white because I didn't have a white bear. I can tap on the bear, select Format Options, and you can do this for any image that you have. If you wanted to change the color or see what color options that you have. So I'm going to do Format. And I'm going to select Recolor, click the drop down arrow, and I needed a white bear, so I could do white and close. And if you notice, now I'm going to drag it over to this side. I have a white bear, and I could repeat the steps of aligning it and duplicating it, and my students will be able to drag this white bear to the area. So I'll have white, and I could do the same and find for a black one, seeing that I didn't have a black one that was already available. And I could duplicate and align my other bears and stack them. But for time purpose, I'm not going to walk you through doing that.